Morning, Agent at Engine Carbon Clean. We're over in Long Sutton this morning and we've got a Ford Focus LX. This is a 1.8 diesel, 2006 model, 151,000 on the clock. I called out to this one. The owner's had it for a while now. I suspect it's probably not been looked after that well in the past. He's doing decent journeys in it, getting a little bit of smoke, a bit noisy, a little bit of kangarooing when driving. We're here to clean it up today, add the diagnostics in. Looks like there's potentially an issue with the main radiator fan not coming on. Other than that, the rest of the issues just seem to be kind of communication, electrical issues. A fair bit of bass noise in the engine when we started. That's significantly quieter now, revving up like it should. Get this back out on the road in about another 10-15 minutes and it's considerably quieter and more responsive than it was before.